Thinking about moving to the U.S.? The EB-5 Investor Program provides a direct path to a green card for you and your family with a minimum investment of $800,000. This short video will cover basic information about EB-5 and the current requirements of the program this year. The EB-5 program has been in place since 1990, offering investors from around the world a path to U.S. permanent residency. By investing in a commercial project, you help stimulate the economy and create jobs. In return, you receive a green card for yourself, your spouse, and your children under 21. Let's take a look at the key benefits of the EB-5 program. Direct U.S. residency. Obtain a green card for yourself and your family. After 5 years, you may become eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship. No employer sponsorship required. Unlike work-based visas, EB-5 does not require a job offer or employer sponsorship. With a green card, you'll enjoy flexibility, live, work, and study anywhere in the U.S. with no restrictions. Educational benefits. Your children can attend U.S. schools and universities under the same conditions as local students. To qualify for the EB-5 program, investors must meet the following key requirements. Investment amount. A minimum investment of $800,000 in a targeted employment area, TEA, or $1,050,000 in other areas. Job creation. The investment must create or preserve at least 10 full-time jobs for U.S. workers. Lawful source of funds. Investors must provide evidence that their investment funds were legally obtained. Legal compliance. The investor must have no criminal record or violations of U.S. law. Investors have two main options when applying for EB-5. Regional center investment, the most popular route, where investors place funds in projects managed by USCIS-designated regional centers. These organizations streamline the EB-5 process by handling compliance and job creation requirements. Regional centers typically develop large-scale projects, such as commercial real estate, where multiple EB-5 investors contribute funds. Direct investment. Investors establish their own business and must actively manage job creation. While this option provides greater control, it also requires hands-on involvement in business operations. Each year, over 90% of EB-5 investors choose to invest through regional centers. The EB-5 process involves several steps, but in simple terms, it starts with selecting a project and hiring an immigration attorney. Next, you invest the required funds into the chosen project and, with legal assistance, file the I-526 petition. Once approved, you receive a conditional green card. We've covered the EB-5 process in more detail in a separate video. Be sure to check it out or download a step-by-step guide from the link in the description. In 2024 alone, nearly 5,000 new EB-5 petitions were filed, an 85% increase from the previous year, according to USCIS. The approval rate for I-526 petitions submitted through regional centers was an impressive 98%. Additionally, data from IIUSA shows that the average processing time for approved I-526 petitions through regional centers ranged from 1 to 16 months. With high approval rates and growing demand, now is the perfect time to explore your EB-5 options. You can do so through our YouTube channel or by scheduling a free 30-minute consultation. Check the contact details in the video description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates.